Hello, welcome to our channel. We're truly happy to share simple, natural ways to help you feel better, look better, and live a healthier life every single day. Today, we're talking about a fruit that looks soft and sweet, but works deep inside your body in ways you might not expect. Papaya. Bright, tropical, and delicious, but beyond its taste lies a powerful secret for your digestion, your skin, and your overall balance. Have you ever felt bloated, uncomfortable, or noticed your skin losing its natural glow? Sometimes, the problem isn't what you see on the surface. It starts from within. Your digestive system plays a key role in how your entire body feels and looks. And when digestion slows down, toxins build up, your body begins to show it. This is where papaya begins its quiet transformation. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain, a natural helper that supports digestion. It helps your body break down food more easily, reducing bloating and discomfort. And when your digestion improves, your body feels lighter. Your stomach becomes flatter. Your energy flows more smoothly. But then comes something even more powerful: your skin. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, and antioxidants that help your skin renew itself. Over time, your skin may begin to look clearer, brighter, and more alive. Not because of creams, but because your body is healing from the inside. And that's the real secret. True beauty doesn't come from outside products. It comes from internal balance. Papaya supports your body gently. No stress, no extremes. Just natural improvement. Just a few slices a day, in the morning or after meals, and your body begins to respond. Because sometimes, the glow you're searching for is already inside you. It just needs the right support. Thank you for watching and choosing a healthier life with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly helps us continue creating meaningful content for you. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Stay glowing, stay healthy, and take care.